Hey y'all, this is Eddie Rowe with Good Greens, based here in Central Texas. Today I want to talk about this new device that we're using here at the farm, the little green seeding machine from Vertigrow and from Jonah. And this I'm just psyched about it. It's so cool. It saved us a ton of time with our seeding process. Before the little green seeding machine, we were using a bunch of these and doing a manual seeding process where we would fill up each of these with 10 to 50 grams of seed, depending on the species. And then we would open the top and we would manually shake this over every single tray. The prep time alone for these shakers would take hours to fill up enough for the trays to make sure that we measured them all right and had them all sorted out and separated. And then going down to actually do the process it would take a considerable amount of room. We would put the trays out on the table and then we would shake over every single one, and by the end of it, we'd even get sore and the precision, our eyes would lose focus. It was, looking back on it worked, but it was annoying. Fast forward, I feel like I'm in the future with this thing right here. It's amazing. The way that we use it is we mount it to a conveyor belt that we have, just an inexpensive, regular, basic conveyor belt that we got from Vivor. And once we mount it to the belt, we fill up the hopper with whatever seed that we're working with, whatever species at the time. And then we change out the roller and we change out the brush settings here depending on which species that we're working with. And then we just run through tray after tray after tray until we finish the amount of trays that we need for the week that we're prepping. So highly, highly recommend this thing. It saved us a ton of time. It's way more efficient, it's way more consistent. And I hope it makes a difference for you and your farm too, because I highly recommend this thing. It is way, way worth the value.